If you hadn't opened my eyes, I'd still be walking around in the dark.
That's what friends are for.
Oh, a real pal. This business is a jungle. It's dog eat dog. Vultures wait to eat your carcass before you're dead. How about that little snake in the grass?
I told you.
You were right. And I wasn't gonna believe you. Can you imagine what lies she must have told him about me? Me, his fiancée. The girl he's gonna marry. You'll read all about it.
Sure. You must be broken-hearted.
Yeah, I'm crushed. But I ain't taking this lying down. Lena Lamont is no fool, you know. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my agent. I'm calling my mother. I'm a big star.
You are, Lena, and you've got rights.
I owe my public. Just thinking of that alone makes me ill.
Now don't make yourself sick.
Zelda, how can you say that? Think of all those people when they find out that they're using someone else's voice instead of mine. And what's wrong with my voice anyway?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, ain't it the truth?
Don't worry about it. I gotta go. And stay calm. You know how it makes you sweat? And remember last time? You got hives.
Zelda! Pals! I'm beautiful. Ain't I? Yeah. And I'm talented. Ain't I? Yeah. And if you was a man, well, you could fall in love with me. Yeah. And would you ever be unfaithful? Never. You'd always adore me. Always. I don't understand it! What's wrong with me? Why doesn't he kiss me? He has a chance for a romance. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? How come I don't thrill him? He doesn't feel my sex appeal. What's wrong with me? Maybe I'm much too excited. At dinner, he don't even fly yet. I know I'm truly invited. So why don't he stay for dessert? He takes me out in the moonlight to linger and to roam. I thought he'd take me in his arms, but he just took me home. What's wrong with him? He's lost his libido. I've got the urge, so why don't he splurge? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? We should be out dancing. I'm hot to trot. He'd rather not. What's wrong with him? Is things more important than diction? Summerfire can't say cold. Why is he causing such friction when he could be Mr. Lamont? What's